Okay, so you can see that I am on the homepage of Marisb's VTU. Now, most of all these online platforms no longer accept um uh all this NIN slip. So when you want to scan, when they tell you to scan your national ID card, if you scan that NIN slip, they will reject it. For instance, some persons that have been banned by Facebook, the NIN slip has limitation. All right, there are some platforms, especially all these international platforms, that don't accept NIN slip. They only accept the full proper national ID card, and that is what is called the premium ID card. So with Marisb's VTU portal, you can actually generate a premium ID card. All right, so all you need to do, go to marisbs.com/vp account, and if you go to the homepage or to the menu, you will see it. All right, you will see the NIN verification option. All right, so if you go to this NIN verification, see it here. If you go to this NIN verification, click on NIMC, you will see the option to print the proper card that is acceptable. So you choose NIN, you select the premium card. That is the card that is globally accepted. All right, so if you click on premium card, you enter your NIN. All right, you enter your NIN and click on verify. Okay, click on verify. Just hold on for it to show. You can see verification successful. So just click on OK. You can see that the NIN slip has fully been generated. All right, so you can actually download this slip or print it out depending on how you want to do it. All right, so if you have a printer and you have the card, the proper card, you can print, but you can also take a screenshot of this or and upload it on any website you want to use it for. All right, so that is it. So let me quickly download it and order. So kindly click on the link around this video to register if you don't have an account with us. You can also do other transactions. For instance, if you go to the home page, we see other services: airtime top up, data subscriptions, BVN verification. All you need to do is put your BVN number. It will show all the details in that BVN number. All right, so you can also make money with this. You can actually use this to be making some good money for yourself, because this NIN verification is what people charge 5,000 naira to do. But with this portal, you do it with just a very little amount, 200 naira, and you can charge your customer 1,000, you can charge your customer 2,000, you can charge your customer 5,000. This portal only charge you 200 naira for this. All right, you can convert your airtime to cash. You can use this portal to pay for electricity bills. You can use the portal to pay for your DSTV, GoTV, StarTime subscriptions. You can use this portal to send bulk SMS. You can use this portal to check WAEC, NECO, NAPTA, NAPTEB, and JAMB results. You can use this portal to print recharge cards and a lot of other things. All right, so if you don't have an account with us, kindly register with any of the link around this video to get started. Thank you.